Hormonal balance is like a well-conducted orchestra. When your hormones play in harmony, everything from energy to mood flows smoothly. But when they fall out of sync, bam, you might feel moody, tired, anxious, or even gain weight unexpectedly. Let's start with cortisol, the stress hormone. Waking up stressed every day. That's cortisol running the show. Too hard, deep breathing. Meditation, or even a walk in nature, can lower cortisol and reset that hormonal storm. Next up, insulin. Sugar highs and crashes. That's insulin juggling too much sugar in your blood. Balance your plate with protein, fiber, and healthy fats to help insulin stay steady and blood sugar stay calm. Ever feel cold, tired, or forgetful? Your thyroid might be whispering for help. It regulates energy, metabolism, and body temp. Foods like seaweed, eggs, and fish give your thyroid the iodine it needs to keep your energy humming. Estrogen affects everything from mood to skin to sleep. Low levels. You might notice dry skin or disrupted sleep. Try adding flax seeds, lentils, or soy to your diet. They're rich in phytoestrogens that naturally support estrogen levels. Progesterone is your chill-out hormone. When it drops, you might feel anxious, irritable, or struggle with sleep. Create a relaxing night routine. Think herbal tea, dim lights, no screens. It helps naturally boost progesterone and ease your mind. For men and women, testosterone affects muscle mass, drive, and energy. Weight training can give it a healthy nudge. Don't skimp on protein. It fuels muscle recovery and helps testosterone production stay strong. Did you know your gut bacteria actually help make and break down hormones? A healthy gut equals happier hormones. Load up on probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, or kefir to support your gut and regulate hormonal cycles. Melatonin, the sleep hormone, is triggered by darkness. Sleep too late or stare at screens. It may never get a chance to work. Try dimming lights at night, avoiding screens an hour before bed, and sticking to a bedtime to support melatonin balance. Watch out for endocrine disruptors, chemicals in plastics, scented products, and pesticides that can mimic or block hormones. Go natural. Choose BPA-free containers, fragrance-free skincare, and organic produce when you can. It helps reduce toxic load. Omega-3 fatty acids from chia seeds, salmon, and walnuts help reduce inflammation and support hormone production, especially in the brain. Chronic inflammation messes with hormones. Eat anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, berries, and leafy greens to calm things down. Exercise isn't just for your body, it's a hormone hero. Even a brisk 20-minute walk can balance insulin, cortisol, and even estrogen. Laugh often. Laughter triggers dopamine and serotonin, feel-good hormones that boost your mood and reduce cortisol levels. Catch 10 to 20 minutes of morning sun daily. It naturally boosts vitamin D, which supports testosterone, estrogen, and immune strength. The sugar roller coaster. Spikes and crashes wreak havoc on insulin, cortisol, and even sex hormones over time. Choose whole grains, oats, and complex carbs to keep your energy steady and your hormones grounded. Dehydration messes with your hormones too. Start your day with a full glass of water before anything else hits your stomach. Ladies, your cycle matters. Track your monthly rhythm to better understand hormonal shifts and adjust your habits accordingly. Try seed, cycling flax, and pumpkin seeds in the first half of your cycle. Sesame and sunflower in the second. Blend them into your smoothies. High evening cortisol, it can block melatonin and disrupt sleep. Avoid late-night work or screens to prevent a hormonal traffic. Jam. Magnesium calms the nervous system and reduces cortisol. Snack smart with avocados, spinach, or a square of dark chocolate. B vitamins support energy and hormone metabolism. Load up on leafy greens, legumes, and whole grains to feed your system. Your liver processes excess hormones. Help it out with dandelion tea, cruciferous veggies, and enough water to flush toxins. Breakouts along your jawline, that's often a hormonal signal. Sugar, dairy, and stress are likely culprits behind the scenes. Zinc helps regulate testosterone and progesterone. Snack on pumpkin seeds or chickpeas to keep levels balanced. Bone broth is amazing for gut lining and hormone balance. Simmer some with garlic and herbs for a comforting reset meal. ASHWAGAN DHA, maca, and holy basil are adaptogens. They help your body adapt to stress and balance hormones naturally. Swap toxic cleaners and candles for natural versions. Every little exposure adds up when it comes to hormone disruptors. Create a simple, hormone-friendly routine. Morning sunlight, balanced meals, movement, and wind-down rituals. Let's quickly recap. Eat whole foods. Move your body daily, sleep well, and lower stress. It's a full-body approach to hormone harmony. Sip on green teas, rich in antioxidants, and can gently support metabolism, insulin sensitivity, and liver detox. Sauerkraut, kefir, misewal. Fermented foods that nourish your gut and, in turn, regulate your hormone system. Hormonal acne around your jawline, that's often linked to androgens like testosterone. Reduce sugar and dairy, and work on gut health. Fiber helps your body eliminate excess estrogen through your gut. Think lentils, chia seeds, berries, and veggies. Stubborn belly fat, high cortisol or insulin resistance could be behind it. Reduce stress and cut out refined sugars. Supplements can help, but only if needed. Always read labels and consult your doctor before adding anything new. Start your day with a hormone-friendly breakfast, eggs, avocado, and whole grain toast fuel. Your hormones and fight crashes struggling with an afternoon crash, skip sugary snacks and coffee overload. Try nuts or a boiled egg with green tea. A gratitude journal can lower cortisol. Just 5 minutes a day helps your stress response and supports hormonal flow. Hormonal migraines. Fluctuating estrogen is often the culprit. Magnesium and B2 can reduce their intensity and frequency. Protect your sleep hormones. Dim the lights after sunset, read a book, and let melatonin do its quiet, healing work. Still unsure? Get a hormone test. Testing can reveal imbalances with estrogen, testosterone, thyroid, or cortisol levels. Talk to your healthcare provider. Hormonal health isn't just about age. It's about thriving at every stage of life. Self-care isn't selfish shit. Resets your hormones. A calming bath, slow walk, or 10-minute meditation goes a long way. Share your healthy habits. Cook hormone-friendly meals with loved ones and turn wellness into a daily joy, not a chore. Countless people have reversed fatigue, mood swings, and stubborn weight just by tuning into their hormone health. Your checklist: sleep, water, fiber, movement, healthy fats, protein, stress relief, and gut care. Keep it simple, but consistent. Balanced hormones mean better sleep, better mood, smoother skin, and more energy to enjoy life every single day. If this helped you, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more simple health tips. Let's keep those hormones happy together.